Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads, clear pony beads, a special bead, or a teddy bear. I got this from Bead Tin. I'm sure other craft stores will carry it. You're also going to need a string that measures about 55 inches, scissors, and a lighter. And we're going to start with our long piece of string, and we're going to put on 3 clear beads and then 1 on each side. Okay, and now we're going to put on 3, lay this down, and we're going to take the other string and go across to go through those beads. And you're going to put your ends together and pull these down. And you want to get that as even as possible. Now we're going to put clear on each side, let those fall, and then we're going to put 3 more on, lay that down, and take this end and go through those. Now that we have this started, you can take your ends and then pull the string. Okay, now we're going to put a clear on each side, let those fall down. We're going to put 3 pink on. Take your string and go through. Grab the ends and pull. Put a clear on each side. Now we're going to get orange. Go through. Grab your ends. Put a clear on each side. You're going to get 3 yellow. Take your string and go through all those beads. Grab the ends and pull. Put a clear on each side. 3 green. Take the string and go across here and pull your ends. A clear on each side. 3 blue. Take your string and go across. Grab your ends and pull. Clear on each side. Purple. I'm going to grab your ends and pull. Okay, and then now we're just going to repeat the rainbow once again. So we're just adding a clear in between each row. And there's another way to hold this. I'm going to show you when you cross the strings over. You can hold it with your pinky and then fold the string over and hold it with your thumb and put the string through and then pull it. That's how I normally do it, but it's easier to show you guys with laying it on the table. Okay, now we need to tighten this up a bit. It's a little loose, so you're going to pull it and then just put your finger in the middle and push them down. You might have to do that a couple times. I think this feels tight enough for me. So to connect these ends, you're going to take one piece of string and we're going to go through these 3 clear beads. And then you'll pull this and make a knot. Oh, you know what, guys? We forgot to put our last clear beads. Okay, so sorry about that. We have the purple on. We need to put on a clear on each side. Now we can go through those beads. Good thing I caught that before I tied it off. Okay, now we need to take our string, both strings, and so we tied it right here. Now we're going to go through this clear and through both of those purple, and then we're going to take one of them out. So it looks like this. Okay, we have our 2 ends, so we're going to add pink, orange, yellow. Grab the ends and let those beads fall. And we're going to put on a clear that goes through both. And then we're going to put our teddy bear or whatever bead that you choose through both strings. And then we're going to put another clear that goes through both. Green on each side, blue on each side, and purple on each side. And now we're going to pull those all down. We're going to take our string and we're going to go one way. We're going to go through the pink, and then we're going to do the opposite on this side. So we just crossed the strings over, and you're going to pull this tight. That's what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to have our 2 ends. We're going to put a pink on each side, orange on each side, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now this time we're going to take this side of the string through this clear bead in between the yellow and green on each side. The next step, a clear on each side, pink, clear, orange, clear, yellow, clear, green, clear, blue, clear, purple, and clear. Okay, now just like we did back here in between the yellow and green, we're going to do the same over here. So we're going to go through that clear bead on each side. And now we're going to add 2 pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And now we're at where we started, so we're going to take this string and go through the middle purple. And you're going to want to pull this string tight. And tie this off. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.